What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be doing a what's sold video, and I'm going to be showing you what's sold in my eBay store over this weekend. Happy Halloween, by the way. Today is Halloween. Alright, so the first sale is going to be Strange Brigade for the PS4. I sold 12 of them for a total of $129.24. Shipping was $11.99. $18.30 for the eBay fees. My buy cost for all 12 of them put together was $47.88, which leaves me with a profit of $51.67. That's pretty good. Next we have Men in Black International, which is a Blu-ray DVD. Sold for $10.77. Shipping $3.99. eBay fees $2.18 with a total buy cost of $3, which leaves me with a profit of $1.60. Not bad. Next we have a PS4 game, Rainbow Six Siege for the PS4. Sold for $17.97. Shipping fees $3.65. eBay fees $2.92. $9.99 on the buy cost, so I didn't make a ton of money on this one. A total of $1.41, less than 20% return of interest, which I was shooting for 20 to 30% on the minimum on this one, and hoping for anywhere between 50 to 60. So if it would have sold at my projected value, I would have made more money. But either way, we're still making money. That's what it's all about. I mean, as long as you get your money back or make some on top of it, that's what I'm going for. This next item is actually runoff inventory, meaning I bought it over a year ago. It was included in a bundle, so I'm considering it 100% profit. I still have quite a few of them. They're still selling here and there. But it is a Nintendo 64 replacement part for a console. Sold for $8.07. Shipping $3.42. $1.22 on eBay fees, and a total profit for me is $3.43. Not bad. Looks like we have another copy of Rainbow Six Siege for the PS4. Sold for $17.97. $3.52 on the shipping. $2.92 for eBay fees, which leaves me with $1.63 total profit for me. I'm glad to get it gone. I bought 10 of these at $9.90 a piece, and I'm still, yeah, they're pretty much already almost gone. I put them on sale. I put, I think 15% off, something like that, just to kind of get them out of my store and get most of my money back with a little bit of profit on top. This next one, if you follow me on TikTok or Instagram, you would have seen me buy this at Walmart just literally a day ago. But it is a Garmin GPS. I bought 3 of them for $40 a piece. Sold for $79.97. Shipping $9.62. eBay fees $9.72. My buy cost, like I said, was $40, so that leaves me with $20.53, just over 50% return of interest. So pretty good, and it sold literally the next day. You couldn't ask for any more. That's good. Next up, we have a copy of Strange Brigade for the PS4. Sold for $10.77, $3.36 for shipping, $1.89 on eBay fees, $3.99 is what I paid for it, and that leaves me with $1.53 in profit. So still pretty good. That's what is that? I mean, that's like 40% return of interest right there. For $3.99 into $1.53, that's pretty decent. But I mean, I've been selling these at higher costs. I just put them on sale because I have 100 of them. I'm already in profit. So now I'm just kind of trying to get rid of the rest of them. Next up, we have another Garmin GPS, which sold for $79.97. Shipping fees $9.62. eBay fees $9.66, which leaves me with a total return of $20.69 because I paid $40 for these. Pretty good. Above 50% return of interest, and it sold like the next day. I'm happy. Next up, we have another copy of Men in Black International. Sold for $10.77, $4.15 for the shipping, $2.08 on eBay fees, which leaves me with a profit of $1.54. I only paid $3, so that's above 50% return of interest, which is what I'm usually shooting for in my eBay store. And last, we have another copy of Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege for the PS4. Sold for $17.97, shipping $3.33. eBay fees $2.96, which leaves me with a total profit of womp womp $1.78. But like I said, we're trying to get rid of these. I've been sitting on them for about 3 months now with little to no traction. I think I overpaid. Obviously I did, but I'm still happy that I'm making my money back. When I say $1.78, that means I made my $9.90 back, and then I got $1.78 on top of it. So I had to sit on it a little bit, 3 months, and then I got $1.78 for each one, which isn't a whole lot of money. And it is a little risky when you're doing stuff like this. So you do kind of got to be careful, but sometimes you buy stuff that don't sell for what you think they were going to sell for. As long as you're making your money back, that's really all that matters. And I'm happy that I made close to, what is that? That's 18% return of interest. So it's not great. It's not terrible. So that's not bad is what I'm shooting for. We're shooting for above mediocre, really, honestly. So just to clarify for you guys, that's going to be $383.47 in total sales, $272.97 in gross profit, and a total profit of $105.31. All right, thanks for watching my video, guys. If you enjoy this kind of content, please leave a like, subscribe, and I will be putting more out as soon as I possibly can. I do work a full-time job, so keep that in mind when you're sitting by your keyboard punching the crap out of it because I'm not showing up, and I get it. It's cool. I'll be there. I'll be there for you one day. One day. All right. Thanks for watching, guys.